Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed your hair isn't as thick or full as it used to be? This frustrating experience leaves you wondering what happened and, more importantly, what you can do about it. What if we told you that the secret to regrowing your hair might already be at home? Today, we're revealing the most effective ways to bring back that lush, healthy hair. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to start your hair regrowth journey. Welcome to Levitas. Hair is a complex structure with a fascinating composition. Each strand of hair is primarily made up of a protein called keratin, which is also found in our skin and nails. This protein forms the outer layer of each hair shaft, giving it strength and resilience. The hair shaft itself consists of 3 layers: the cuticle, cortex, and medulla. Hair is anchored into the scalp by the hair follicle, which nourishes the growing strand and regulates its growth cycle. The risk factors vary significantly between men and women, but hair loss can affect anyone. For men, the most common cause is androgenetic alopecia, or male pattern baldness, which is influenced by genetics and hormones like dihydrotestosterone or DHT. Women, on the other hand, may experience hair loss due to hormonal changes, such as those occurring during pregnancy, menopause, or from conditions like polycystic ovary syndrome or PCOS. Stress, nutritional deficiencies, and certain medical conditions such as thyroid disorders can also contribute to hair loss in both genders. Additionally, lifestyle factors like poor diet, alcohol, smoking, and excessive use of hairstyling products or treatments can exacerbate hair thinning and loss. How to regrow your hair. Our main question for today: the effective elements you need to regrowing your hair ASAP are right here. First of all, proteins and amino acids are the building blocks of hair, making them essential for healthy hair growth. Keratin is formed by amino acids like cysteine, lysine, and arginine. Cysteine, in particular, is crucial because it forms strong disulfide bonds, which give hair its strength and structure. Lysine supports collagen production, which helps maintain the scalp and hair follicle health, while arginine improves blood flow to the hair roots, ensuring that they receive the nutrients they need to grow. Consuming adequate amounts of protein-rich foods like high-quality meats, eggs, dairy, and legumes provides your body with the necessary amino acids to support hair growth. Also, B vitamins are critical for hair growth, with several members of this vitamin family playing key roles in maintaining healthy hair. Vitamin B7, or biotin, is famous for its role in hair health. Biotin helps in the production of keratin and can improve hair's strength, elasticity, and overall thickness. Vitamin B5, or pantothenic acid, supports the adrenal glands, which help stimulate hair growth, while vitamin B6 aids in hormone regulation such as testosterone and DHT. A deficiency in B vitamins can lead to hair thinning, dullness, and even hair loss. Getting B vitamins through diet by consuming high-quality meats, eggs, nuts, and leafy greens can help you maintain healthy, vibrant hair. Next is vitamin D, another crucial nutrient for hair growth, often linked to the health of hair follicles. It plays a significant role in the hair growth cycle, particularly in the formation of new hair follicles. Low levels of vitamin D are associated with alopecia, an autoimmune condition that causes hair to fall out in patches. Vitamin D also supports the immune system, which helps protect hair follicles from damage and inflammation. Sun exposure is a natural source of vitamin D. Next is zinc, a trace mineral that plays a pivotal role in hair growth and repair. It helps keep the oil glands around the hair follicles working properly. Zinc also has a unique role in regulating hormone levels, including those related to DHT. DHT can shrink hair follicles, leading to thin hair and eventual hair loss. Foods rich in zinc include shellfish, meat, seeds, and nuts. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to all parts of the body, including the scalp and hair follicles. Without enough oxygen, hair follicles can become deprived of nutrients, leading to hair thinning and loss. Women are particularly at risk for iron deficiency due to menstruation. Iron-rich foods like red meat, liver, spinach, and lentils can help boost iron levels and support hair growth. Also, coconut oil has been used for centuries to promote hair growth and improve scalp health. Rich in lauric acid, coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft better than many other oils, providing deep nourishment. It also has antimicrobial properties, which help reduce scalp infections that impede hair growth. To use it, warm a small amount in your hands and massage it into your scalp. This not only helps to moisturize the scalp, but also stimulates blood circulation, encouraging hair growth. Leave the oil in for at least 30 minutes, or overnight for a more intensive treatment, then wash it with a gentle shampoo. Green tea extract is another powerful natural remedy for hair loss, particularly because of its effects on DHT. The catechins found in green tea, particularly epigallocatechin galate or EGCG, have been shown to inhibit the activity of the 5-alpha reductase enzyme, which converts testosterone into DHT. By reducing DHT levels, green tea extract can help prevent hair follicle shrinkage and support hair regrowth. In addition, green tea is also rich in antioxidants, which protect the hair follicles from damage and promote overall scalp health. Drinking green tea regularly or using a topical green tea extract can be an effective way to support hair growth naturally. Carnitine, an amino acid derivative, is another nutrient that supports hair growth by combating the effects of DHT. Carnitine works by stimulating energy production in the hair follicles, which can help improve their function and promote the growth of stronger, healthier hair. It also enhances the expression of certain genes that are involved in the hair growth cycle, particularly in the anagen phase, where hair actively grows. Carnitine can be obtained through red meat and dairy products. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are particularly beneficial for promoting hair growth, since chronic inflammation can damage hair follicles. Omega-3s also improve blood circulation to the scalp. This ensures that hair follicles receive the nutrients they need to produce healthy hair. They help to regulate the production of oils in the scalp, keeping it hydrated and preventing dryness and flakiness. Omega-3 fatty acids can be found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in flax seeds and walnuts. In conclusion, hair loss is influenced by various factors that can differ between men and women, including hormonal changes, genetics, and lifestyle choices. Essential nutrients play a significant role in combating hair loss and promoting regrowth. Proteins and amino acids, B vitamins, vitamin D, zinc, and iron are fundamental for hair strength and follicle health. Natural remedies like coconut oil, green tea extract, and omega-3 fatty acids provide additional support by nourishing the scalp, reducing inflammation, and regulating hormones like DHT. Incorporating these elements into your routine will help you effectively encourage healthy hair regrowth. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.